Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to download and install iOS 15 beta 7 on iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap General, tap Software Update, check for software update. How to download iOS 15 beta 7. Open the Safari app on your iPhone. Tap Download Beta Profile. Scroll down. Tap Install Profile. Install anyways. Tap Allow. Tap Close. Then go back home screen. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Profile downloaded. Tap Install. Again install. Tap Not Now. Tap Done. Then go back channel page. Tap Software Update. Check for software update. iOS 15 Developer Beta 7 is available. Thanks for watching this video.